The study of the structure of the body is called. The correct answer is anatomy. The study of tissues is known as. The correct answer is histology. The study of cells is called. The correct answer is cytology. The study of microscopic structures is known as. The correct answer is microscopic anatomy. Which branch of anatomy deals with development of an organism from fertilization to birth? The correct answer is embryology. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. The study of abnormal development of tissues and organs is. The correct answer is teratology. The study of bones is called. The correct answer is osteology. The study of joints is known as. The correct answer is arthrology. The study of muscles is called. The correct answer is myology. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. The study of blood vessels and lymphatics is. The correct answer is angiology. The study of nervous system is called. The correct answer is neurology. The study of endocrine glands is known as. The correct answer is endocrinology. The study of surface features of the body is called. The correct answer is surface anatomy. The study of similarities and differences in the anatomy of different animals is. The correct answer is comparative anatomy. Anatomy studied using imaging techniques like X-ray, CT, MRI is called. The correct answer is radiological anatomy. The study of structural changes caused by disease is. The correct answer is pathological anatomy. Which branch of anatomy is applied in diagnosis and treatment of diseases? The correct answer is clinical anatomy. The study of functional changes in organs is mainly related to. The correct answer is physiology. Anatomy visible to the naked eye is called. Correct answer is gross anatomy. The study of prenatal development is called. The correct answer is embryology. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.